The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone, you know. Now, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so me, I always deal with the whole social media thing, you know, and me gonna bring to you a hot pan social media or, you know, something that is interesting. You see me? Now, I just found two short video clips, right? One is about dancing and what me see the person do as dancing, or what me see these two persons do as dancing. I don't know what to say, see me? That's where you, my viewers and subscribers, come in. You can tell me anything about that. And the other one is about a person that is begging, and you would not believe what that beggar did. All right, there was no money, but the beggar is accepting cards. Right, so he's begging the money and he accept cards. How does he do it? Alright, but anyways, we'll get into the first one right now. And this one is going to show off the person that is the beggar begging. Now, the language is not English, alright, but you will get the idea of what's happening right here. So take a look at this video and observe.
नहीं छुट्टा नहीं है मैं छुट्टा देऊंगा माँ भूख लगा क्या तो खाऊंगा ओहो भैया छुट्टा नहीं है जो मैं देऊंगा छुट्टा देऊंगा माँ नहीं है कार्ड है मेरे पास कार्ड तो कार्ड लाओ तो मेरे पास मशीन है स्टेप कर लो.
Now this is where the man takes out a machine that accepts cards, you know. This makes me wonder if this video is a fake video, you know, like if it's a prank or the video is staged, if it's a hoax or something, because, you know, the person that is begging is walking with a machine that accepts card, right? Now, I don't know if that machine is working, right? And if it's not working, why is he walking with it anyways? I mean, you know what I mean? This shows so much things, and it raises so much question. Like, he's a beggar. I'm not saying that this person don't have a bank account or anything, but you know, the fees to owning a machine like that, to be accepting money, and at the same time you're begging, yo, this one really actually have me thinking, isn't it? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the next video I'm going to show you right about now is of, you know, two persons dancing, right? I'm not sure if the two persons that are dancing really wanted to dance. However, it shows of a male grabbing a female and doing something as if they're on ice skating, right? Yeah, I'm not saying that they're on the ice skating, but it would seem as if like that, right? Because they're twirling around and around. But viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where some people are saying that what had happened in the video is not dancing. Some people are saying that, yo, this is just some dangerous stunt, and you know. So look, I'm going to let you take a look at this for yourself, alright? Now this video, some persons might find this video a little bit shocking or scary, is what I'm saying to you. So please bear that in mind as I'm about to show you this video, alright? Now take a look and observe. Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, this is how I leave it with you. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to try to bring to you what happened on social media, keep you up to date and post it and make you know what going on. You know, tell me what you think about the dancing that you just saw in the video. Is this dancing or not? And tell me what you think about the person that is said to be a person that is on the street begging and walking with a credit or debit card machine, right? Yeah, credit and debit card machine. You know, that machine that receives money, you know, through the payment of a card, you know, swipe a card, press it and so forth on the card. Yeah. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.